Now sun salutation 2. With the next inhalation, bend your knees, bring your hands all the way down to the mat. Inhale, lifting it up over your head. Push your hips back like you're sitting on a chair, knees together. Exhale, straighten your leg, fold forward, hip to knee. Inhale, look forward, lengthen your back. Exhale, palms down, bring your feet back into staff pose, chaturanga. Exhale, down, elbows locked in. Inhale, lift up to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Bring your feet together. Inhale, lifting your right leg up. Bringing it in between your palms. Feet down. Left foot down in a 45-degree angle. Find your balance here. Come up. Inhale into warrior 1. Push your hips down. Stay here. Hips square facing forward. 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Bring your palms down. Right foot back into staff pose. Inhale to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Bring your feet together. Inhale, lift your left leg up into 3-legged. Exhale, bring it forward. In between your palms. Right foot down in a 45-degree angle. Find your balance here. Inhale, come up into warrior 1. Push your hips down. Look towards the ceiling or your hand. Keep your back leg straight for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, back down into staff pose. Bring your left foot back. Inhale to upward dog. Exhale into downward dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, walk your feet to the front of your mat. Lengthen your back. Exhale, fold forward, hip to knee. Inhale, bend your knees, bring your hands up into chair. Push your hips down. And come back to Samasthiti. We'll go with the next round. From here, inhale, slide your hand down, bringing it up. Exhale, fold forward, hip to knee. Inhale, look forward, lengthen your back. Exhale, palms down, feet back into staff pose. Inhale to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, bring your feet together, lifting your right leg up into 3-legged dog. Bring it in between your palms. Rest your right foot between your palms, left foot down in a 45-degree angle. Find your balance here. Come up into warrior 1. Stay here. Push your hips down. Feel the stretch in your legs here. Make sure your knees don't go over your ankle. 3, 2, good. 1, exhale down. Into staff pose. Inhale to upward dog. Thighs off the ground, looking up towards the ceiling. Exhale into downward dog. Bring your feet together. Inhale, lifting your left leg up. Bringing your left foot between your palms. Find your balance here. Right foot down to a 45-degree angle. Keeping it straight. Bend your front knee to a 90-degree angle. Inhale, bring your hands up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, back down to staff pose. Inhale to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. 5 breaths here. At any point if you need to rest, bring your knees down and stay in child pose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, come to the top of your mat. Lengthen your back. Exhale, fold forward, head to knee. Inhale into chair, bend your knees, bring your hands up. And to Samastiti. Normalize your breathing here. And once again, inhale, bend your knees, bring your hands down, lifting it up into chair pose. Exhale, straighten your leg, fall forward, head to knee. Inhale, look forward, lengthen your back. Exhale, bring your feet back into stuff pose. Inhale to upward dog, thighs off the ground. Exhale into downward dog. Bring your feet together, inhale, lifting your right leg up. Bringing it in between your palms, back foot down. Inhale into warrior one. Stay here. Now with an exhalation, open your hips to the side. Into warrior two, look at your front thumb. Keep your back leg straight. Make sure you're not leaning forward or to the back. Keep your spine straight and centered. 3, 2, 1. Exhale back down into stuff pose. Inhale to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Bring your feet together. Inhale, lifting your left leg off the ground. 3-legged dog. Exhale, bring your left foot between your palms and 2. Warrior one, find your balance, come up. Back foot down, keep it straight, front knee bend to 90-degree angle. Stay here, push your hips down. 3, 2, 1. With an exhalation, open your hips to the side, square. Look to the front thumb. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale back down to stuff pose. Inhale to upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. 5 breaths here, adjust yourself. Shoulder blades away from your ears. Pressing your palms into the mat, fingers spread open. Hands in line with your shoulder. Keep pushing your hips towards the ceiling. Engage your legs if your heels don't touch the ground. Give a micro bend to your knee. Core engage. 3, 2, 1. Come to the top of your mat. Lengthen your back here. You may have your hands resting on your knees, lifting your chest, keeping your spine straight, or you can have them onto the mat. Exhale, fall forward, head to knee. You may bring your hands around the back of your ankle to bring you deeper into the stretch. Stay here. Feel the stretch in your legs, your hamstrings. Now inhale, bend your knees. Bring your hands up into chair. 5 breaths here. Push your hips down like you're sitting on a chair. Good. Just hold there. 3, 2, 1. Exhale, release back to the center. Breathe in and out here.